Hi students, this is biology lesson 1.03 called New Technology. It's really about microscopes, the different types of microscopes, how we use them, and when we use them. I love this lesson. It's packed with good information, but I don't like this lesson because it's a very difficult one and it's one of your first lessons for the course. So, with that in mind, we got to buckle down and really attack this one and give it your best shot early on. Don't give up. You'll get through it. Just stick with me and stick with the lesson. It has a short introduction, and then it has 4 pages of lessons. First page, talking about early microscopes. Second page, talking about the different types of light microscopes, dissecting microscopes. And notice these are tabs that you click on, and the information changes. Third page of the lesson, talking about electron microscopes. Again, more tabs. Not real long, but the tabs make it long. Then page 4, talking about a review. Talking about a career, microbiologists and how they use microscopes. Now, getting on to where it gets tough, the activity. This one has a summary of the activity in the course and the lesson. And then a lot of students miss this. This little blue underlined word here is a link. You must open that up. When you bring that down, I'll bring it down into the viewing screen here, you can see that there is another link. So this is a page you can print, or you might copy and paste the directions and the things that you have to do, but do not miss this guided notes activity sheet. This is something you will also want to copy and paste into your own document because you need to fill out all the parts of this table here. So again, you'll need both this and the link here. Now there is an interactive that comes at the end of the lesson in the activity. It's very important that you do it, and you can select one of these microscopes, and this is something I love about this lesson because this is a really cool activity. And wherever you hover, you can get information about the structure of this microscope and its function. You go down here, you click on those slides, and then you get to look at a leaf, a feather, and an insect. Let's start with the insect. There it is. What's wrong with it? You can see it, it's big, it's not in focus. So you'll have to turn the dial, or in this case slide the dial. And you're going to need to write down the detail that you can now see. You can see parts of the wing. You can see the segments of the leg, the appendages, and the hairs that come off of them. You can see the antenna. You can see the parts of the insect. Those are things that you'll need to write down. In the leaf, it's already focused for us, but it would have looked like this originally. I mean, this is a leaf that you can now use a dichotomous key, and you could probably determine what type of plant it is with all the detail that is visible. So this is again a lesson that takes quite a bit of time, and there are many steps to it. This is not a lesson where you can run through some written text after 20 or 30 minutes and then think you can do well on the assignment. This is eSchool. I hope nobody told you that it was going to be easy or quick, because it is not. Again, this is a lesson with the interactives, and the amount of note taking that you need to do will take you probably at least an hour and a half just getting the information, and then another 60 minutes to complete the assignment, complete it well, and then submit it to me, your teacher.